one that made you a mama Instagram change story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I will show you how to do this trending sticker right here, so keep on watching. First of all, I will go out of this page, and then from your Instagram page you have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and then search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. So it's this one right here. And from this page you have to go to viral now from highlight, and here you will only find viral stickers, so you can click until you find the desired sticker. So there we have it, the one that made you a mama. And from here click on the add yours sticker, and if you are not able to click on the sticker, you can go to the first pinned comment where I already put a link to a video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on this sticker. So make sure to check that. And from here click on the upload icon from the left bottom screen and search for a photo that you want to add here. I will go with a random one. I will go with this one because this is just an example for you guys. I do not have a kid, as you can see. I only have a dog, so I will put him here. So here you can make your picture bigger or smaller and place it where you want using your two fingers, and then you can do the same thing with the sticker. So once you are happy with your story, you just have to click on share to, then click share to your story, and then click on done. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you want, you can also go to my page right here and to my YouTube channel and see all the viral Instagram trends and stickers. So yeah, thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.